Hi, I'm going to show you a real quick tutorial on how to use my simulations. So here's a algal bloom simulation, and you can enter it from my website. And you can generally click to the simulation. From there, you can run simulations, and when you click on the graph, it's going to display those quantities for each of the variables that are being collected. And so you can see where those quantities are at a given time period. So at 16 months, there are 96 zooplankton population density. And at 120 months, there's 111 zooplankton population density. If you click on other parts of the tab, different data is displayed. This is a scatter plot of diatoms versus zooplankton. Here's fish. So some of the graphs are comparative, meaning if I run this simulation again, and again, and again, and again, well, now I have 5 samples of these same conditions. And if I look at time 90 or 90 months, you can see what the fish population density was at each of those. So this is a great way to collect statistics and get the mean standard deviation for an experiment that you might be running. Now, if you want to run these on your phone versus right off my website, you can click the link here. It's going to take you to the same simulation. However, this one's running in a way that you can zoom in and out more easily, and you can run these simulations just like you would regularly, except now you can run them on your phone much easier. Also, with this, there's 3 buttons I generally include. The Run button runs a simulation, the Live button runs a simulation, but then when you adjust a variable, it gives a live update as you adjust that. For example, if I just run the simulation and then I adjust this, well, I have to run another simulation to do that. Now I can reset the simulation, go live, and I can see how a variable affects the outputs in different ways. So those are the different ways you can run my simulations. Click on the graph to get the quantities. Look at the different graph outputs to see what's going on. And then also you can run a simulation, get live results of a simulation, or reset to initial conditions. Hope that's helpful.